Today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows subsystem for Android WSA on Windows 11, but with full Google Play Store support. That means you can install and run any Android app directly from the Play Store on your PC, not just the limited apps from the Amazon App Store. Quick note before we begin, Microsoft officially stopped supporting WSA on March 5th, 2025. That means no more updates or bug fixes from Microsoft. But thanks to the community, projects like WSA builds still allow us to install and use WSA with Play Store and even root support. So this guide will show you how to set it up. To get started, go to the WSA Builds GitHub page. This is a community project that packages WSA with Play Store support already built in. Scroll down and download the stable build. I have downloaded it already myself. If it fails to download, try using a download manager. Before we begin, the installation enabled the virtual machine platform. You have to reboot your machine. After the machine restarts, enable developer mode. Inside the folder, look for the run file, right-click on it, and run as administrator. The script will automatically install the modified WSA with Google Play support. A WSA has now been installed. After installation, search for Windows Subsystem for Android in your Start menu and open it. Go to Settings, turn on Developer Mode, and then click Files to launch the subsystem for the first time. After enabling developer mode in the app, you can change other settings like memory and performance. Now, open the Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and you're good to go. You can now download and install any Android app right from the Play Store, just like on a phone. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows Subsystem for Android with Play Store support on your Windows 11 PC. Remember, Microsoft has ended official support for WSA in March of 2025, so community builds like this are the way forward if you want Play Store and future updates. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows and Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.